So the time has finally come to show you my camping setup for the Honda Element. Now, you may have seen my previous video, which you can see right here, and that video shows how I set the Element up for skiing and for biking. But in this video I'm going to show you how I set the Element up for camping and road trips. And I have a really slick setup, which I'm excited to show you. So this is my rooftop tent right here. It is very heavy and it's very difficult and awkward to get on even with a couple people helping you. Now if you don't have a forklift or something like that to help you out, then you're left with not many options. And having two people try to put this on a car is very awkward. So I've come up with a solution that allows just one person to put this rooftop tent on all by themselves. So that starts with this winch that is bolted to a 4x4 that is then bolted to the ceiling in my garage here. And now this is just the power cord that goes down to be plugged in, and this right here is my remote for raising the lift up and down. And then what I use to support the tent is this 2x4 right here that I drilled a hole through. I ran some rope through it, put a washer on the end of that, made a knot in the back to hold that all together. So let me show you how it's done here. Super simple, super easy, and I'm ready to hit the road. But there are a few more things that I do to get this Element ready to go on those long road trips and camping trips. So I'll show you how I packed it. And just for reference, we're doing about 5 days in Cape Cod. So nothing too major, just a nice, simple, quick trip. And I'll show you how I set this up. Alright, so of course we got a cooler here. There's a simple metal Coleman cooler right here. That'll keep ice for a few days, no problem. Then this one is the best. This right here is the Small Space Design custom fold-out kitchen. But I'll show you more of that in action on this trip. Those are the two most important things. Of course, there's a ton of other stuff, but the food will go in the cooler here. And then in this opening right here, there is a 12 by 12 inch container that will sit in there with all of the kitchen supplies. And then a 7-gallon water jug will sit on the other side there. And then usually pack one duffel bag each with clothes. And so that makes it super simple. We can just toss up into the tent when needed. I designed and built this camp kitchen last year with a couple goals in mind. I wanted to maximize the cooking area, as well as house all of the kitchen supplies in a neat and organized, yet portable package. After a year of field testing, this design has proven to be durable and has worked flawlessly over many trips. If this is something you would like me to go more in depth on, leave a comment and let me know. I could do a how-to, make build plans, or even build these if anybody is interested in a custom camp kitchen setup. Now let's get back to making french fries. Now I hope you've been inspired by my rooftop tent system and go out and build one of your own. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like, subscribe for more content like this, and leave a comment letting me know if you loved it or if you'd do anything different. This all helps a small channel like us.